Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be all about the VIB haul. So I'm gonna show you what I bought. Before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. So Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Yeah. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So the first thing I bought, it's the Morphe, because here in Canada we have Morphe on Sephora. I don't know if in US you have some Morphe stuff. I bought the 35M Boss Mode palette, so I'm super happy about it because I don't have any green shadow in my collection. I have like a super bright green, but I don't have any army green or something like this. And yeah, and with more crazy look that I do lately, I just want to have green in my collection. So like I've said in past video, I look at some palettes at Sephora, but I don't need any more warm tone palette, even if they are so gorgeous. And oh yeah, my kids are with me right now, so you're gonna hear some scream, not scream. I don't need any more warm tone palette in my collection because I had so many right now. So yeah, this one, it's a warm tone palette but with cool shade that I don't have. Oh my voice. So yeah, the palette looks stunning and I can't wait to put the green on my eyes. Down here it's not super, I know it's a warm tone shade, so I already have all the like the more orangey shade, the more pink shade, but yeah, it's good to have in a palette. And I cannot wait to put this on my lids, this green shade. So yeah, I also bought the Morphe M439 for foundation because, like I've said in the past video, I didn't find a good foundation brush and I want a good one. So yeah, you poop. Yeah. Ooh, that smells bad. Welcome to the glamorous life of a mom. So yeah, I'm right back from changing a diaper. Oh, it was disgusting. A very big poop. So yeah. So I don't know where I was, but yeah, I just want to find a good foundation brush because when I do some client makeup, it's great to have sponges on your hand. But if you do a lot of client in the same day, you can't bring just one beauty blender like this because you can bounce the same one on a lot of client and it's pretty hard to wash. So yeah, I would love to this brush to work for foundation because that way I'm gonna buy some for my clients too. So after that, I bought the Liquid Glow eyeliner by Anastasia Beverly. So this is in the shade Perla. And I cannot wait to try this because with the summer right around the corner, temperature, I just want to be like a glowy goddess. And I just want to look like a greasy chicken. So yeah, I want some great liquid eyeliner to put on my face because when summer is around too, I prefer to put cream on my face because that way it stays a little bit longer with the hot temperature. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this liquid glow stuff. A good liquid eyeliner like this you can mix with your moisturizer and put this on your arms if your arms are showing, and that way your arm's gonna look so good. Oh, so the liquid glow doesn't look super intense, but when it picks the light, it just looks like sweat glow, and this is what I look for this summer so much. So Yes. After that, I bought the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, obviously. Little Bronzer Duo. Instant Worn Bronzer in Sunstalk. I don't know how to say this. And the Matchstick in Shimmery Skin Sticks. No. Yeah. I don't know. In Cinnamon, I think. Oh gosh, that was hard. The Cinnamon... I don't know if it's a blush or a bronzer. I'm gonna show. I'm gonna see this. Oh, this is gonna be a gorgeous blush for the summer. It's look like a sunburn effect. So yeah, this is gonna look so good. So I love that. And the bronzer. And this is the shade. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be. Ooh. This is just butter. Whoa. Oh, and the shade looks... I cannot wait to put this on my face. Ooh, this look a little bit like the butter bronzer. This one, it's a little bit more dark, but a tiny bit more dark, but I just think it's in the same like vibe, like super warm bronzer. After that, I bought a mini size again because this stuff is just an arm and a legs, and it's the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. So this is small, and this was 25 bucks Canadian. So yeah, help me. This smells good, so I cannot wait to try this because all YouTuber writes about this stuff. And the last thing that I bought, it's the Under Eyes Brightening Corrector by Becca in the shade light to medium. So I'm a mom, like you know, and I have pretty dark circle. So I want something to hide them, but I don't want to put like a red lipstick like what we see on Instagram. And I don't want to put a lot of stuff under my eyes because I'm not far away from my 30-ish. And it's so sad, I know. But yeah, my under eyes crease a little bit more than a younger girl. This stuff is pricey. This stuff cost 40 bucks Canadian. Yes. 40 bucks. So yeah. I hope it's gonna work. So yeah, so I don't have anything else to say beside I love you guys, and also what you bought on this sale. I want to know because yeah, I want to know just that. So I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye.